now. As you watch this video, you are moving through space at nearly 800,000 kilometers per hour. You can't feel it. You can't see it. But every second, our entire solar system is racing through the galaxy on a journey that began long before humans existed, and will continue long after our civilization is gone. Because we are not standing still. We are passengers on a tiny planet orbiting an ordinary star, drifting inside one of the largest structures our minds can comprehend. A vast rotating island of light known as the Milky Way. From Earth, it looks like a faint, glowing band across the night sky. A quiet, beautiful ribbon of stars. But that peaceful glow hides a reality so enormous, so extreme, that even modern science struggles to fully describe it. Inside this galaxy are hundreds of billions of stars, possibly trillions of planets, supernova explosions powerful enough to outshine entire star systems, black holes that can tear apart suns, and invisible oceans of dark matter shaping the motion of everything we see. Yet even this cosmic giant is just one small piece of a much larger universe. A universe filled with billions of galaxies, clusters stretching across hundreds of millions of light years, and colossal cosmic structures so vast they resemble a living network connecting everything in existence. So how big is our galaxy? Really? Where exactly are we inside it? How does it compare to other galaxies? And when we zoom out far enough, what does the universe actually look like? Tonight, we are going on a journey across unimaginable distances. From our small world to the true scale of the cosmos itself. Because understanding the size of the Milky Way might completely change how you see your place in the universe. The true scale of our Milky Way in the universe. Far beyond the thin atmosphere of Earth, past the orbit of the Moon and the distant frozen worlds that circle the outer edges of our solar system, lies a structure so vast that even our best scientific measurements struggle to fully describe it. It is not a single star, not a single planetary system, not even a small cluster of suns. It is an entire cosmic city of stars. This immense structure is called the Milky Way. From Earth, the Milky Way appears as a faint glowing band stretching across the night sky. For most of human history, people believed this light was a cloud, a celestial river, or the trail of divine beings crossing the heavens. But in reality, that pale glow is the combined light of billions of distant stars too far away to be seen individually. And modern astronomy has revealed that the Milky Way is a vast spiral galaxy rotating slowly through space, containing hundreds of billions of stars and enormous clouds of gas and dust. Some estimates suggest that there may be as many as 1 trillion planets within our galaxy alone. To truly understand the scale of this structure, we must first understand our position inside it. The solar system is not located near the center of the Milky Way. Instead, it resides in a relatively quiet region known as the Orion Arm. This spiral arm is just one of several that extend outward from the galactic core. Our distance from the center is roughly 27,000 light years. A light year represents the distance light travels in 1 year, nearly 10 trillion kilometers. Even traveling at light speed, a journey to the galactic center would take tens of thousands of years. If we attempted the trip using modern spacecraft, it would take longer than the entire history of human civilization, multiplied many times over. The Milky Way itself stretches about 100,000 light years across its main disk, but its true size may be even larger. Surrounding the visible galaxy is a massive halo composed of faint stars, ancient globular clusters, and enormous amounts of dark matter extending hundreds of thousands of light-years into space. Inside the disk of the galaxy, stars orbit the center in vast gravitational paths. Our Sun moves at a speed of roughly 800,000 kilometers per hour as it circles the galactic core. Despite this incredible velocity, completing one full orbit takes about 230 million years, and this period is known as a galactic year. Since Earth formed over 4 billion years ago, our planet has completed only about 20 galactic orbits. At the very heart of the Milky Way lies one of the most extreme objects known in the universe, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. This object contains the mass of approximately 4 million suns compressed into a region smaller than our solar system. Stars near this region move at tremendous speeds, some reaching thousands of kilometers per second. Yet despite its destructive potential, this black hole plays a stabilizing role in shaping the gravitational structure of the inner galaxy. But stars and black holes are only part of the story. Most of the Milky Way's mass is believed to exist in a mysterious, invisible form known as dark matter. And dark matter does not emit or reflect light, making it impossible to observe directly. Scientists detect it only through its gravitational effects. Without dark matter, the galaxy would rotate differently. Stars at the outer edges would move too fast and escape into intergalactic space. Instead, the unseen halo of dark matter holds the galaxy together like an enormous cosmic scaffold. Yet even this colossal system is only a tiny fragment of the universe. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies. Some galaxies are dwarfs, containing only a few million stars. Others are giant ellipticals containing trillions. One of the closest major galaxies to us is the Andromeda Galaxy. Located about 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda is slightly larger than the Milky Way and is moving toward us. In approximately 4 to 5 billion years, the two galaxies will merge. Stars will pass each other across vast distances. Gas clouds will collide and trigger waves of star formation. Over millions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will transform into a new combined galaxy. But zooming out even further reveals that both galaxies are members of a larger structure known as the local group. This gravitationally bound region contains more than 50 galaxies spread across about 10 million light-years. Beyond the local group lies an even larger structure called the Virgo supercluster. This enormous formation spans more than 100 million light-years and contains tens of thousands of galaxies. However, modern observations show that even superclusters are not isolated. They are connected by immense filaments forming a vast cosmic web. These filaments stretch across billions of light-years, linking clusters like strands in a three-dimensional network. Between these strands lie enormous cosmic voids, regions containing very few galaxies. When astronomers map these structures, the universe begins to resemble a neural network or a sponge-like pattern. This is the largest known structure in existence. Understanding this scale forces us to rethink our place in reality. The Sun is just one ordinary star. The Milky Way is just one ordinary galaxy. And the observable universe itself contains perhaps 2 trillion galaxies. Light from the most distant objects we can see has been traveling toward us for over 13 billion years. This means telescopes allow us to look back in time, when we observe galaxies forming shortly after the Big Bang. We watch cosmic evolution unfold across unimaginable timescales. Each discovery reveals how matter organizes itself into stars, planets, and complex chemical systems, and perhaps even life. Within the Milky Way alone, scientists estimate there could be hundreds of millions of habitable planets, worlds orbiting distant suns under alien skies. Some may host microbial ecosystems. Some may have complex biospheres. And somewhere, intelligent civilizations might be observing their own galaxies, asking the same questions humanity asks today. What is our place in the universe? How large is reality? Is the cosmos finite or infinite? As technology advances, humanity will continue pushing the boundaries of exploration. Future telescopes will map dark matter more precisely. They will detect biosignatures in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. They may even observe the first stars that ever formed. Yet the deeper we look into space, the more we realize how much remains unknown. The Milky Way is vast beyond imagination. But it is only a single island of light drifting in an ocean that may stretch forever. If this journey through the true scale of our galaxy expanded your perspective, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep space documentaries exploring the greatest mysteries of the universe. Because the cosmos is far larger than we once believed, and we are only just beginning to understand our place within it. As we reach the end of this journey, it becomes clear that the universe is far larger than anything our ancestors could have imagined. Our world, once believed to be the center of everything, is just a tiny sphere drifting around an ordinary star. That star is only one among hundreds of billions inside the vast spiral arms of the Milky Way. And this galaxy itself is only one luminous island in an ocean filled with billions of others. When we look into the night sky, we are not just seeing stars. We are looking into deep time, into ancient light that has traveled across unimaginable distances just to reach our eyes. Every photon carries a story of exploding suns, of forming planets, of galaxies colliding, of cosmic structures slowly evolving over billions of years. Somewhere out there, on distant worlds orbiting unfamiliar stars, other observers may also be looking into their own skies. They may be wondering the same questions that have followed humanity since the beginning. How big is the universe? Why does it exist? And are we alone within it? The true scale of the cosmos does not make us insignificant. Instead, it makes our existence extraordinary. Because in a universe so vast, so ancient, and so full of mystery, we are the part of it that can look back and try to understand itself. And perhaps that is the most remarkable discovery of all. If this journey changed the way you see your place in the universe, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who loves space, and subscribe for more deep explorations into the greatest mysteries of reality. Because the universe is still waiting, and we have only just begun to understand how vast it truly is.